Well, hello, 69 degrees in Menor, Ohio, 3:48 in the afternoon. It is an awesome November day. I am at the Menor Marsh and lagoons and Lake Erie. Over here's the docks for the boats. There's an Ohio historical sign over there. So you got the lagoons and marina for all the boating. I don't know if they allow any kayaks or boats in the marsh, but the only way you're really going to get to see the wildlife and birds and waterfowl and stuff is with an 800, 1200, 1600 millimeter lens or a kayak or a boat raft. But I walked through the marsh a little bit and I got my feet wet, pants and shoes muddy and wet. I had to turn around, I couldn't take the whole trail, it was too wet. But I hiked along the beach and along the lake, Lake Erie, November 8th, 2021. And I did see a bald eagle, and I did see a snake, so it was cool to see a bald eagle. Guy over here fishing. But, very nice day. Protect the natural area, you have to have access by permission only from the Cleveland Museum of Natural History. But nice trails and marsh. Everyone enjoyed it along the lake and the beach. But being November, you know, a lot of the wildlife migrates. The one bird here in the summer migrates to South America. But this is Menor Marsh, Menor, Ohio, Lake County.